morning, Internet. We're in California now. We spent the night in a really crappy hotel. Reminds me of the reason we have a bus. It's a great day. It's sunny. It's not raining. I did wash the windows half hour ago at a gas stop, and man, it already got bugs all over it. Sorry about that. But yeah, we'll be at the place we need to meet the guy to pick up the bus here in about an hour. So we're making the trip home with our new bus. We're up by Shasta. Just already starting to learn things. This is a great bus. It's got more power and it's faster than my bus. It's secured taller. It's got a little more pickup and go. Already got a mental squawk list going of things that are annoying me that need to be corrected. But all in all, it seems to be pretty solid. So yeah, we're just taking a quick break here, and we'll be on our way. Well, we're high up in the Siskiyous. We just crossed into Oregon. There's the summit, or not quite. That's the exit that says Siskiyous Summit. Crawled this many times in my bus, my previous bus. We're pulling this grade at 50 miles an hour in second gear at 2,000 RPM. And now we're hitting the governor, and I'm going to pass. All right, now we're hitting Siskiyous Summit. I did wash my windshield at the last fill up, but many bugs have died on it, so I apologize. Gotta get over it. Alright, man, we made it down the pass and we're happy campers. Sort of a tradition to stop in this first rest area after you come down the hill into Oregon. It's really nice. Nice place to stop. There's never anybody here either. So yeah, bus ran good. It has a tendency to really want to stay in second, up to 55, around 55, and when you're going down a hill, even if I don't want it to. Yeah, lots and lots of bugs. But yeah, we'll have other videos with the full tour and inspection and everything. Let's see what's happening back here. So we do have some splatter. Some oil splatter, but original black glass. I have that piece. Well, we got tired and pulled into a rest area last night to get some sleep because the previous night, a bad choice in hotel, only 2 hours of sleep at a really crappy hotel. So I was just too tired to keep driving. When I pulled into the rest area, I come off this freeway, and you're coming in pretty hot, and so you're going, 55 plus, right? Slowing down pretty rapidly. Come on in here, stop, and there is just a huge cloud of smoke behind me that envelops the bus, as it passes me, because it doesn't have brakes and I do. Well, it was at night, and this is not, this is not going on, right, during the day. I had been smelling oil, okay? I've been smelling oil, and so I figured I had a leak, right? And we've been driving a lot. We park. Look at the oil slick here, right? It's dark and rainy and crap, and so I figure, all right, we'll just deal with this in the morning. Shut it off. Get some daylight. Get some sleep. And so now I'm looking at this. And as you can see, there's a lot of right here on the muffler. Now, in this area, it's real hard to tell if it's fuel or diesel, or fuel or oil. In this area over here, when I've had a leak in this area, it's been fuel, because you've got some lines that go into the head over here to deliver fuel and return fuel and go over to the other head, and those can leak, and that's happened before. The oil is completely full on the dipstick. I do see some wetness back here along the valve cover gasket. Let's see if I can get it in the frame there. Right there's a little bit of leak in there. That's obviously oil, but this doesn't look like a lot, just some seeping. It's a little wetter over here on this side for sure. Well, quite a bit wetter over here. Some wetness down over here. There's some splatter on top of the brand new alternator. And it could be on the back side. If it's getting on, had to be getting on a manifold, right? Or that. I don't know. Look around up there. That stuff's all okay. There's no signs of leaking up there. This is what happens when you get a new bus. Sometimes you're going to have to be prepared to deal with crap. And so, I did phone a friend last night. Our friend Joe, the mechanic's up the road about 40-50 miles in Eugene. I want him to look this bus over anyways, so I've made arrangements to go there. We've got oil in the engine, it's full. I'm thinking fuel at this point, but could be wrong. Yeah. So by the end of the day today, this bus will have been looked at by all three mechanics that do this sort of work on buses and two-strokes and crap. Well, I wouldn't say all that I know, but basically I've had 3 different people that I like and trust with bus stuff look at this bus, and that's pretty awesome, actually. All right, we're gonna hit the road. All right, it's smoking right there next to the turbo. We got a puddle on top of the muffler, fresh drips. All right, we found the problem. See that? Oil's coming from the turbo. So that means that turbo seal is toast. And this bus needs a new turbo.
See the end of the blades?
Oh, they're moving. Fuck, the blades are getting chowed up, aren't they? Is there play in the shaft?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no.
Well, look at how much.
Way too much. That thing's about ready to take a shit. That's ready to come apart.
Uh-huh.